If you want to know how to create winning ads in minutes without the need of designers or video editors, then I am about to blow your mind.
Here is how I created this full ad set for this product in minutes, no designers or video editors or
just ads that convert and sales.
Here's how to do it. Head over to SodaMarketing AI. Click Create New. Click on Create Brand to add your brand info, your brand name, the industry, the country, and upload your brand logo. Next, I need to create an ad profile for my product. This is done only once. And from then on, I can generate unlimited ads and creatives for this product. Click Add Product. Enter the product name, upload some of your product photos, then click Train Product Model. Then click on Create Ad Set. For now, I will just keep everything in default and click Generate. And boom, I just got a full set of stunning, high-converting static ads in minutes. Didn't have to look for templates or switch between or hire a designer. That's really cool. Okay, here is another amazing thing I can do right away. I can simply convert any of these designs into a perfect video ad. Just hover over the design I want to convert to video and click that video icon over here. Then here I can write an idea for the video. For example, I'll type this. The blender is blending the fruits. Then just click Next. Then review the prompt if you want. And when all is good, just click Generate. And here we go. We just got an amazing video ready to be used as an ad or a social media post instantly. No mistakes, no issues with text, no missing brand identity. Everything is just perfect here. Now let's see what else we have. Here, as you can see, I already got a ready, perfect caption with emojis and hashtags that I can use immediately in the ad copy or as a caption in an Instagram or Facebook post. And here's another mind-blowing feature. These on-brand designed ads are 100% editable down to the layer level. Simply hover over any of the generated designs, click that edit icon, then pick the editor. And from here, you can make any kind of editing you may think of with this simple and friendly drag and drop editor. With ease, you can change the text, font size, position, color, and anything else. Now let's go back to our ad set and see what else we can do here. Let's create a photo shoot for the product. Simply click on Photo Shoot, pick the size of the image from this drop-down. And from here, we have 4 options to generate a photo shoot with: Quick, Prompting, Reimagine, and Advanced. Let's try the Quick option. From here, you will find ready-made keywords that you can choose from to instantly create a stunning photo shoot of your product. Let's try this one here, and then click Generate. Wow, I just got this amazing photo shoot for my product. I didn't even have to think about an idea or prompt. SodaMarketing AI is doing this for me. Now, what about converting this photo shoot into a video? You know how now. Just click the video icon and type here any idea you have for the video. As an example, I'll type this simple idea here. Then click Generate. And just like that, a stunning video is generated. Now let's go back to the on-brand designed ads and see what options we have here. I can pick the content tone from here. And from here, I can pick the language I want for my ads. Many languages are supported here. And here in this area box, I can type any message that I'd like to communicate with my ad. For example, I'll type here, 50% off, limited time offer. And from here, I can type any description I want for the main visual of the ad, and we'll just get it in the generated ad. So as an example, I'll type professional studio photo shoot and clean background. Then click Generate and let's see what we get. Here we go. Just got a perfect on-brand ad that rivals top agencies and designers in minutes. The message of the ad is here. The visual is as described. The brand logo embedded perfectly into the design. The brand color palette applied perfectly. And if I want to make any tweaks to any of the generated designs here, I can simply click on the edit icon and make any tweaks that I may have. Now let's go back to the photo shoots. I'd like to show you another amazing feature. Let's pick the size. And this time, I'll pick the Reimagine feature. With the Reimagine feature, I can simply use any winning ad I find and use it as a reference to create a similar ad for my product. As an example, I'll go to Pinterest and search for portable blender ads. Let's take this one. Simply download the image. Then go back to SodaMarketing AI. Drag the reference image here just like that. And click Generate. And here we go. Just got a very similar ad to the reference image I used, but with my product embedded perfectly into it. Now I am actually curious, and let's see what we will get if we convert this into a video. Simply click the video icon, and this time I will let SodaMarketing AI suggest the video idea. Here we have a very nice idea for the video, so I will click Next, and here we go. I have just got another stunning scroll-stopping ad in minutes.
Think about what you can do with the power of such a tool, SodaMarketing AI.
You can have dozens of ad creative variations in different formats and sizes to test and find your winning ads fast. You don't have to worry about ad fatigue anymore because now you have an ad generator engine that can supply your campaigns with fresh, stunning new ads whenever you need them. You can also blow up your social media accounts with stunning daily nonstop posting.
So give it a try now. You will find the link in description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this.